All right, guys, we're out here at Brotherhood. We've got a Komatsu excavator on the trailer. We've got our red Scania we've got on loan, hooked up. We're gonna tow this thing about 6 miles down the road, so maybe 10.
Yeah, maybe 10 at the most.
Run it over. We've got a recovery mission going on. He's got a bulldozer stuck neck deep in the mud. We've got an excavator that barely pulls itself out of the yard here. We're gonna see if this thing will pull it out. If not, we're gonna go get our tow truck. But nonetheless, we're gonna get haul something with the red Scania today.